If your PCB assembly has solder bridging, insufficient soldering, or unreliable soldering joints, poor solder paste printing may be the cause. Manual, semi-automatic, fully automatic, or solder paste jet printing. Which method fits your project? The right choice depends on the accuracy, production volume, flexibility, and cost you need. Cost-effective for small prototype runs. With this method, stencil alignment, solder paste application, and board handling are all done manually. It requires little equipment and is easy to adjust, making it suitable for simple PCBs, low-volume prototypes, and short-term production needs. Tube semi-automatic stencil printing. A balanced choice for low to medium volumes. The operator usually loads and aligns the PCB, while the machine controls the squeegee movement, printing pressure, and speed. It provides better consistency than manual printing while costing less than a fully automatic system. It is a practical option for projects with moderate accuracy requirements and relatively low production volumes. 3. Solder paste jet printing. Ideal for frequent design changes and special pad requirements. Jet printing deposits solder paste directly onto each pad based on programmed data, so no stencil is required. It works well for R&D prototypes, projects with frequent revisions, or boards where different pads require different amounts of solder paste. For a fully automatic stencil printing. Fully automatic stencil printing, built for accurate and stable volume production. A fully automatic printer uses a vision system to identify fiducial marks and automatically handles board transfers, alignment, printing, and stencil separation. Some machines also support 2D paste inspection and automatic stencil cleaning. This method is better suited for fine pitch components, BGA letters, and medium to high volume orders. It improves the consistency of solder paste thickness, area, and placement while reducing manual handling and variation between production batches. For PCBA orders that require accuracy, speed, and stable volume production, fully automatic stencil printing usually delivers the best overall value. It is also the method we use most often.